Hello, I am Parth Nanda. My roll number is 20IM10027 and my section is 15. This is the assignment 2 of DIY and the topic of the project is tank overflow indicator. As this is the one of the major problem in India, like our tank is full and the water is being overflown from the tanks, and the people are not knowing that the water is full, so this problem has to be raised and implemented. So this is the circuit which I have made, and the input to the circuit is being given from this ultrasonic distance sensor, which would be attached at the top of the tank, water tank. So it would be measuring the distance between the water level filled and the top of the tank. So it means that basically it tells the distance of the water which can be filled, which can be filled. So this would be input, and um, so let me these are the two LEDs. The green one indicates that the circuit is running, and the red one shows that the distance of the water is less. Is when the red one indicates that the water has been filled to till a sufficient level, and the motor can and the switch of the motor can be switched off. And this piezo indicates that the water has been filled very high and it would be overflowing in some other time. So let me show you the code. In this, I have taken the input. I have made a variable input distance, which is the distance, which is basically the distance which can be filled, which has can be filled more in the tank, and these are the pins which are connected to them, so these are being chosen. So then I have put the if else statement, which means that if the distance of the input distance comes out to be less than 50, then the red light would be running, else the green light would be running. So and then um other if else statement shows that if the distance comes out to be less than 20, which is very low, and the tank would be overflowing in some time, then the piezo would be alarming. So let me show you the simulation. So first of all, the distance of the water is 222.7 and the green light is running. So as the distance comes to be less than 40, the red light starts running, and if the distance of the water is comes more and more, so then the piezo alarms. So this is basically the circuit, and it would be alarming that the water has been sufficiently filled and it is being overflowed, and this would conserve a lot of water. So this is the text version of the code, and I would put this in the Arduino IDE and choose no here. So let me compile this code, and this shows that the code has been compiled successfully. So thank you.